Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIC9. In this video ay mag-solve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem. So, ang problem natin ngayon, find the value of k so that x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus kx minus 6. Kung gusto nyong isolve yung problem na to sa sarili ninyo, pwede nyong i-pause yung video tapos balik kayo mamaya pag meron kayong sagot. Alright, so i-pause nyo na ngayon. Okay, so itutuloy na natin, no? Yung problem na to, kailangan alam niyo yung tinatawag natin na factor theorem, no? Ang sabi ng factor theorem, if x minus c is a factor of f of x, then f of c is equal to 0. So, ano ba yung value ng c dito? Kita natin na x minus 3, di ba? Yung x minus c. Therefore, ang c natin ay 3. So, x minus c is equal to x minus 3. Pwede natin i-cancel yung x. Negative c equals negative 3, which means that c is equal to 3. So, meaning, f of 3 is equal to 0. So, yun yung pagsisimulan natin. So, solution. Let f of x be equal to 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus kx minus 6. Bakit natin ginawang function? Kasi kailangan natin itong f of 3 na to. So we know that f of 3 is equal to 0. And ano yung f of 3? Ibig sabihin, isa-substitute lang natin yung 3 doon sa lahat ng x. So ang f of 3 is 2 times 3 cubed minus 11 times 3 squared plus k times 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So dito lahat ng x pinalitan lang natin ng 3. So yung 2x cubed naging 2 times 3 cubed, yung 11x squared naging 11 times 3 squared, yung kx ay naging k times 3. And if we simplify, we have 2 times 27. 3 cubed is 27 minus 11 times 9. 3 squared is 9 plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0. And then 2 times 27 is 54 minus 11 times 9 is 99. And then plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0. Ang 54 minus 99 is negative 45. And then minus 6. And then plus 3k is equal to 0. So nilipat ko lang yung minus 6 sa katabi nung negative 45, no? And negative 51 plus 3k is equal to 0, which means that 3k is equal to 51. And this means that k is equal to 51. Divided by 3, which means that k is equal to 17. So ito na yung sagot sa tinatanong natin, no? Ibig sabihin yung polynomial expression natin ay 2x cubed is 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 17x minus 6. Kasi yung k natin ay 17. Alright, so maiksi lang, no? Napakabilis lang basta alam natin yung factor theorem. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.